Hey, thanks for checking out my video. Today we're going to make some baby Parmesan potatoes. We're going to roast them in the oven, and I'm using some baby, I guess Yukon Golds, or they just say little yellows. I got these at Aldi's. They've got a real thin skin, so you don't have to peel them or anything. So what I did is I just halved each one, and then I scored each one with an X. That helps the flavor get into the potato. Okay, so we got our potatoes ready. I've got a 1/4 cup of butter, which is a half a stick, and I'm gonna pour most of it in there, and I'm gonna leave just a little bit that I'm gonna brush on the top side of the potatoes once I get them in the pan. Here I have a spice blend that I put together. It's a half a teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Okay, now I'm gonna get my pan. I'm gonna use just a 8x8 baking dish here. Just to make cleanup a little easier, I'm gonna put a piece of parchment paper in here. I'm gonna put some grated Parmesan down in the bottom of the pan here. And I've got a 1/4 cup of it. Okay, so I'm gonna throw these in. And if you put the cut side down, it gets really nice and crispy. Now I'm gonna take my little bit of leftover Parmesan and sprinkle it over the top. Okay, that's it. That's all there is to it. I'm going to take the little bit of leftover butter that I have in here, and I'm just going to kind of brush each one a little bit. Okay, we're going to put these in a 425-degree oven for about 30 minutes, and then I'll show you how they turn out. Okay, so our potatoes are out of the oven, and I just wanted to mention, if you're serving more people, you'll definitely want to double up on this recipe. This small recipe is just for like 2 to 3 people, but use a 9x13 if you're gonna double up. So let's see what they look like. So there you go. They taste as delicious as they look. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.